want to say a big thank you to the team for very kindly reaching out to me and sending me these trash bags to try. In the box you get 400 and you get 100 per roll, and these are these really great transparent ones, so they're really discreet. You can put them in any of your bins, and although they're transparent, they're really nice and strong. I was really impressed with how strong they were. On the roll they are tearable perforated bags, so they keep nice and tidy on the roll until you need them. They do tear off really nice and easily. These bags are going to be absolutely perfect for waste bins, your small pedal bins, and also your swing bins as well. They fit all of mine really nicely. I really like the fact that there are no handles or drawstrings. I find them quite messy and I have to find a way to tuck them all in so they look nice and tidy. The seams here were super strong, they were really well made. And just to show you how strong they really are, I put in my 5 kilogram weight in there and it was absolutely fine. There was no pulling or stretching or tears. Another factor for me that's really important is them being drip proof. And as you can see, they did fantastically. Big thank you again to the team. I'm absolutely thrilled. These are going to be a really awesome addition. Even if you're using one per week, with 400 in the box, it's going to last you absolutely years.